At Stratstone, the health and safety of our customers and associates is our #1 priority. So, during the current COVID-19 pandemic, we have introduced a range of measures to safeguard everyone who interacts with one of our businesses. Every day, our associates have their temperatures checked, making sure they are safe to be at work, reducing any risk to associates or customers. To manage capacity, customers are politely requested to make an appointment ahead of their visit. Upon arrival, please use the designated parking area. You will then be greeted by a host, whilst keeping to our 2-meter social distancing rule. We do request that customers bring their own pen and bottle of water, as our refreshment facilities will remain closed temporarily in line with government advice. On the floor of the showroom, there is a clear, easy-to-follow one-way system to help you navigate your way around. All waiting areas have been set up with seats spaced 2 meters apart, and we are restricting the use of our customer restrooms to 1 person at a time. For additional protection to our customers and associates, we have installed protective screens on all reception desks, introduced a key drop-off station for service customers, and set up hand sanitization points around the dealership. When working on customer vehicles, our technicians will be wearing protective equipment where necessary, and seat covers and floor mats will be used at all times. Before the vehicle is handed back to a customer, the key contact points, including the steering wheel, handles and controls, will be thoroughly cleaned using antibacterial wipes. Full details of this process can be found at stratstone.com. We would like to thank you for your patience and understanding during this time. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated and extremely important in ensuring we keep our businesses a safe place for all. We at Stratstone look forward to welcoming you back soon.